Let's see, face orientation test 1. What we're doing is we have a Respeaker giving us the direction of the voice. We're segmenting for voice, but also listening to different sounds and classifying those. And then we're showing it on the screen in the general direction of the face. So it understands my face and understands my daughter's face.
Robot. Over here. Robot. Alright, sneaky.
And back to me.
Back to me.
It's like a tennis match.
Me.
I have it set to every 1 second to listen to a new voice. So try it now.
Back to me.
All right, test complete.